times when fans tried Ariana Grande's crazy high notes, and you have to hear it. First up, a fan singing No Tears Left to Cry. She hits a note almost exactly like Ariana. It's impressive how close she sounds. Next is a fan tries Dangerous Woman. That high note is tricky, but she almost reaches it and she nails it. Lastly, a fan in a car singing Santa Tell Me. No stage, no mic, just her voice going for the high notes. It actually sounds really good.
This year I got to be smart.